Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I'm now in the four-part area. So keep on watching, guys. Yeah, man, so you don't know, the Clarendon side, take a little journey. So thanks for stopping by on the channel, Fire Reid. This is a channel you learn a lot about Jamaica and see a lot of different places in Jamaica. Where to go, when to go. If you learn something about Jamaica, always hit the like button, free of cost, and also subscribe and press the all icon so as soon as I upload a video you will be notified. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid, your Jamaican tour guide. Yes, my people, so if you want to know Jamaica, yes man, this is the right channel and my people. Yeah man, don't know say Clarendon is a parish in Jamaica. It is located on the south of the island, roughly halfway between the island eastern and western end. Located in the county of Middlesex, my people, so I don't know. You need to check out them place when you come to Jamaica. I know a lot of people hear about this area and kind of afraid to travel them area, but just take a tour and enjoy our sweet, our beautiful Jamaica. So if you make a right turn, it also can take you all to Milk River. Yes, some people who don't know say Clarendon is the third largest parish in Jamaica. Yeah man. The parish covers approximately 1,196 square feet in kilometer. Yeah man, is located on the southern half of the island.
On A2.
So guys, I will take you into the Maypen town area. Yeah man, I don't know, say, trust me, one of the biggest town area I ever see still, as in when it come on to market and everything. So we'll just take a journey with Fire Reid, go to Maypen town area. And thank you all for watching the channel. Big up on I watch from yard or abroad. Big up all of my Jamaican people, them Canada, UK, Antigua, Bahamas, Grenada. Big up on yourself and on our watch from man, because if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. So big up on yourself and on our watch from. One love and one heart. Yes man, one lover, one happy people. Yeah man, Rio Mino River. The river is the largest river in Jamaica at 92.8 kilometers. It rises close to the island geographic center, flow generally south-southwest and reaches the Caribbean Sea at Charles Bay in the central south coast to the west of the island. Yeah man, big up on yourself. So Clarendon have 5 major rivers: the Milk River, Rio Mino, Pinder River, Cave River, and Thomas River. Yeah man, so when you come to Clarendon and you want to visit them river there, you just can use the Google map and get around and travel them river there.
So
take a bath.
To the
yeah man, and if you visit the Milk River bath, you know, nice bath my people. Yeah man, you can go to Farkas Beach them place there. Big up all the Farkas friends them. So yes, some people, so we all know that we're gonna have a highway from Maypen going to Manchester, Williamsfield area. So we're gonna have some less traffic. Yeah man. So I wanna give you an update soon on the highway there. So you can keep on watching the channel guys.
So I'm gonna make a right turn, will take us on Anderson Drive. look at the beauty in Maypen. Yeah man, as you know them say Maypen and a playpen. On your left you have the miss that name please. On your right, you have the Lincoln Avenue. So I'm gonna make a right turn. Crescent Road on your left. So guys, I want to take you all to the Maypen Town Center. So thank you guys for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.